That's right, we got tumblers.
Wow.
We got some hydro flask tumblers, which we're going to talk about momentarily. But first, Mallory, who are we? Where are we? What is this? Answer the questions, please.
I'm Mallory. This is Ben. We live in a van.
This is said van.
And we are currently in Oceanside, California.
Let's show them two things. One, the van. Two,
The view.
the view. Oceanside.
Ta-da! And this is our home. We will give you a quick tour.
Really quick. If you want a full tour, we'll drop the video up here somewhere. Okay, so as mentioned, we live in this van full time, which means we do things like eat and drink in this van full time as well.
Which brings us back to the tumbler.
The tumblers!
Oh, you forgot my favorite one.
Oh. Tumblers.
Okay, realities of van life. Narrowing down what you bring into your tiny, tiny home is quite difficult. Not a fun process.
Really, really hard. What we found to be specifically difficult to narrow down was our drinkware. We found ourselves buying and donating different mugs, cups, bottles to try to find the right holder for our liquids. Nailed it.
Smooth.
Yep. More or less, we were just making the very profound,
Eloquent.
decisive point that tumblers are the holy grail of all drinkware. Period. End of story. Full stop.
Yes, these tumblers really are a great solution for all the variety of beverages that we make in the van.
A few to name: smoothies,
Hot cocoa, hot tea, hot coffee.
iced coffee, wine, beer, and the most important drink of them all, water.
Water.
H2O.
Well, you have to think of one more because I still have a little pinky down.
Your Class A, de Class A mixed drink.
Wow, how did we forget that one?
Not because we don't have a problem. It's just for
But we're
pleasure.
gonna be making one
Yes.
in our video.
Actually, right now in our video.
This drink is pretty much enjoyable anywhere, but we are going to head to the beach with it.
All right, we're back from the beach. I give it a 7 out of 10. A lot of rocks. The drink was 10 out of 10 though. Tumbler, 11 out of 10. I think we're gonna sleep here for the night. Looks like a street that we can sleep on. And then, yeah, we got one more thing for you tomorrow morning. Well, it is the morning, and we did not, believe it or not, this is not how we sleep on the bed this way. If you're curious how our bed works, there's a video right here.
The mornings are pretty uneventful until we get caffeine into our systems, so.
True. So we'll be making some coffee, and you better bet your bottom dollar that that caffeine, that coffee, is going into one of our new tumblers. This morning's coffee choice is Cafe Bustelo. We have several different forms of how to make coffee in the van, but today it's a mocha pot. It's more of like an espresso, right? Yeah. Well, Mallory does that and prepares us some caffeine, some morning caffeine. A few more things about our tumblers, about our Hydro Flask tumblers. First off, really simple, the Closeable Press-In Lid. You don't want your hot drink to be flying all over the van, or at least we don't. And honestly, it opens wide enough for reusable straws. They fit in most cup holders. I should actually, hold on. Yep, they fit in our cup holders, and that's what matters. I had to read up on this one, but they have something called a TempShield. It's patented, so don't get any ideas. It's a double wall vacuum, and it insulates these beverages from the hot, cold, all of the above.
That's honestly my favorite feature of the tumblers because it keeps them versatile. We can use it in the morning for coffee, wash it, and then later have it for a nice iced beverage.
Win, win, win.
And speaking of washing them, the dishwasher's safe. So
Ta-da!
that's great. Not that we have a dishwasher, but
maybe that's good for you. I don't know. All right, coffee's about done, so I'm gonna bring this over here. It's percolating. Okay, caffeine in hand, time to start the day. Guys, we love our tumblers. We love living in a van. They make a great combo. That was a pretty good sign off.
yeah.
I mean, I don't really have a whole lot to say other than buy a tumbler and subscribe to the channel.
And buy a van.
Well, a little expensive these days, but all right, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.